So before we start our class, may I introduce to you the new classmate from Cebu. So Miss Bernardo, please come.
Hi classmates, I am Ira Bernardo. Gikan po ako sa Cebu. I hope friends na tayo po.
Ay, Bisaya, siya.
Pangit ang pananalita niya.
Anyone can remember the last topic we talked all about? Yes, Miss Khalid.
Globalization and multicultural literacy.
Yes, very good. It's all about globalization and multicultural literacy and social literacy. So now, from the word globalization and cultural literacy and social literacy, what can you say it's all about? Yes, Miss Bernardo.
So it is the process of interaction and integration among people, companies, and governments worldwide.
Right, globalization and integration is all about the world. Who among you can give the three importance of global literacy? Yes, Victoria.
The first one is global knowledge, second is social awareness, and the third one is personal communication.
Yes, that's right. So it's already time. So see you next meeting. Goodbye, class.
Goodbye, sir.
Bernardo. Yes, of course. I was saying you were reading about
Come on, Victoria, let's go. Bida-bida na naman. Bida-bida na naman.
Wait lang, saan ka pupunta?
Saan nga pala yung kantin dito?
Doon, samahan na lang kita.
Victoria?
Yes, hintayin mo naman ako.
Saan naman siya pupunta?
Ewan ko din. Sundan na lang kaya natin.
Oh my God, so cheap.
So poor.
Cheap.
So poor. Wala ba siyang baon?
Wala.
Bakit ganun yung mga trato niya sa mga baguhan, no?
Oo, ganyan talaga sila. Ganyan din yung naranasan ko dati.
Saan ka ba galing?
CDO.
Oh my gosh, Bisaya ka din! Bisaya ka! Oh my gosh, Bisaya ka pala! Wala ka rin oh my god!
Bisaya ko
Same
eh.
tayo.
Walang nakarelate ko sa yung mga kaya. Nalagyan pa ng experience.
Like, lain kayo sa pililingan ni, dili ka makakuha na, dili ka welcome, kay lahi imong language.
Yung nga lagi na sila. Pero kadugay makaka-adjust at mahanap na din.
Sige ba? Thank you tayo!
I'm so sorry, but you failed on this subject.
I hope your grades are okay, Mark. We're here waiting for you in the US.
Umalis ka nga. Hindi ko kailangan ng awa mo.
Pero Mark, okay ka lang.
Umalis ka nga, sabi.
Hindi naman kasi Mark. Okay ka lang ba? Ano yung reason bakit ka naiiyak?
Kasi hindi nila alam.
Yung alin?
Nabagsak ko.
Ay kasama ka pala doon. At paano na? Alam ba yun ng magulang mo?
Hindi.
But at least you do your best.
But my best is not enough. Nasa States ang parents ko. Akala nila nag-aaral ako dito ng mabuti.
Mabuti nga ikaw, may parents kang sumusuporta sa'yo. Sa akin nga, may pamilya na sila. Saka ako lang yung naiwan. Self-support nga ako eh. Saka scholar ako dito sa school na to. Kaya malaki yung pasasalamat ko. Ikaw nga dapat grateful ka.
Pasensya na, Victoria, sa lahat ng ginawa namin ni Victoria sa'yo.
Ayos na yan. Mauna na ako.
Si Mark, dyan ka lang pala. Kanina pa kita hinihintay. Alam mo ba, kanina nakita ko si Ira. Malakad-lakad parang may nahanap o parang walang muwang sa kanyang buhay. Ano ba yun?
Wag. Kasi, hindi pala ganyan ang kanyang ugali.
Bakit mo naman nasabi yan?
Kasi nag-usap kami kanina. Hindi siya masamang tao.
So, dapat na ba akong mag-sorry sa kanya o dapat bang may sabihin ako sa kanya sa mga nakikita ko?
Victoria, we have class at 1 p.m.
Ay, oo nga pala. So, dito na tayo.
Afternoon class. So are you done with your lunch? Yes. To the next topic, it's all about global literacy. Now, who among you that can share about their culture? Yes, Miss Bernardo.
Sir, Cebu, sir. Cebu is a province of the Philippines in a country's central Visayas region comprising Cebu Island and more than 150 smaller surrounding islands and islets.
Wow, Cebu City is a nice place. And who among you can share? Yes, Mark.
I want to share my thoughts about this question. So, comparing the culture of Manila and Cebu is way too different. In Manila, we have advanced technologies, diverse culture, and tall buildings. Unlike in Cebu, they are more devoted in their beliefs as well as preserving their culture. As I realized that we need to respect each other's culture and they have their uniqueness.
Wow, Bernardo and Mark is a very different culture, but we need to preserve our culture. So, what can you share in realization and values? Can you share them?
Okay, sir. So, I realized, sir, that we have, in different places, we have different language, culture, like what Miss Bernardo, she is from Cebu, Transferee, and hindi pa siya marunong masalita ng Tagalog, so we need to respect her. So, I would like to say or apologize to Miss Bernardo for being rude to her. Sorry, Miss Bernardo, for being rude to you. And I promise, starting today, I will be a good friend and a good classmate. I will help you to speak more fluent in Tagalog.
As a Filipino, very unique and passionate about their culture, and we need to respect other culture.
Okay lang yan, naintindihan naman lahat ng tayo nagkakabalik. Sa susunod lang, lesson learned natin din sa inyo na dapat mas kilalanin niyo yung tao bago yung sila
When times get rough, we don't know what to do. But in those times, we can see that those persons who you didn't expect to be with you will be there for you. Showing respect to others is not just about words, but something that you need to do by showing and making them feel appreciated.